Today's tech tip talks about extensions. There's two extensions that you can get. One is called Classroom Split and the other is called Open Side by Side. Both of these extensions allow teachers and students to open a split screen with one click. Classroom Split opens Google Classroom side by side with student work. It would probably most likely be used by students, but I can see many uses for teachers as well. Alice Keeler's Open Side by Side opens an embedded link side by side with the original web page. This could be useful to teachers, administrators, anybody that uses a computer. I don't know how many times I've clicked on an embedded link and it changes the page that I'm on, and I can't get back to it without hitting the back button, and I would love to be able to open it side by side. Now I've gone to the Chrome Web Store and I've typed in Classroom Split in the search, and I've come with the Classroom Split here. I found that, and over here on the right where it says rate it, that's where you would click to add to Chrome. So I would add that to Chrome. It shows up here in the top right corner next to my Chrome browser there. And now I'm going to type in Open Side by Side. And there's Alice Keeler's Open Side by Side. And again, I would click Add to Chrome, and then it shows up in the top right-hand corner of my screen. So now as a student, I'm working in Google Classroom. I have a project in front of me that the teacher has given me many directions to. I decided I'd like to open my essay. So I have my essay that I need to write in, but I don't remember the directions, and I could toggle back and forth here, or I could go over here and click on Classroom Split, and it will instantly open a classroom slide over there. It gives me my to-do list. And because I'm a teacher and a student, it's hard to toggle through. So I'm going to scroll down here in my classes. This is how you can scroll through classes. And again, there's all my directions. So I need to write this essay, and maybe I need to reference some work that the teacher or an article the teacher's posted for me, and I can do that. And once you've hit Classroom Split, you can pretty much do anything you want in either one of the windows. Now, if I decide I don't want the split anymore, I can just close that window and make this one larger. Now I've opened a web page. Purposefully, I chose the Google Teacher Tribe podcast to open because this is where I get a lot of ideas for our tech tips, and I'm super appreciative to Matt Miller and Casey Bell for all of the great ideas they give us. But I want to use some of the links that they've given us. So I'll come down here and I want to read about the new types of Chromebooks. If I right-click on it now, the Open Side by Side extension shows up, and if I click that extension, it's going to open the article that's connected with that link. I'll do that one more time. Maybe I want to read about 3 Chrome extensions that make Google Classroom even more awesome. If I right-click on it, I can click Open Side by Side, and it will open up the article about Chrome extensions right next to it. And that's the Open Side by Side extension. You access that by right-clicking on any link. And then the other extension that we talked about today was the Alice Keeler Classroom Split that will split and open a Google Classroom tab. So hopefully one or both of these extensions will come in useful to you. The Classroom Split is a great one to teach students. They could download it today and use it. So have a wonderful Tuesday.